I spent the past year developing... And not top chat, but live chat. Forgot that. Morning, Cakez Jet. Good morning, Pikachu. My man. Alright. So what did we do? I put it to 2.0.
The spiders are coming. Have you seen them? The spiders? They're coming. Spider, 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 spider. They're at your front door.
Should not
They're
have
at the
closed
front.
this.
They're coming inside.
Any top chatters?
They're spider, 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 coming in. Their 8 legs are tapping your window. Wait, spider, 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 they're in the walls. They are crying. They are laughing. They are grieving. But they are still at the door. Why are the spiders
This guy
at the
has
door?
to do it twice, right?
Spiders eat fly.
Shh. Okay, so what do we do? First we changed back the scaling, and then we get the... Hey, Tischbox Nov. Good morning. Hey, guys. Nice that you come along to YouTube. It's only gonna be a couple more streams. Until we get to a nicely playing game, Vampire Survivors. And then maybe we'll just continue that in the future, right? Maybe we'll just continue doing this in the future, just for fun. I don't know. I don't mind extending this, if it's not taking away too much time. So, what did we do? What did I do to fix the issue that we had yesterday? We had the issue that it was drawing stuff. It was drawing a white line sometimes on the crystals, and the way I fixed it was to add or remove 0.6 to the texture coordinates, to basically offset the texture coordinates by 0.6. 0.5 was not good enough. It still caused a couple of issues, but 0.6 did the trick. I don't know why that only happens sometimes and not all the time, but at least currently it is fixed the way it is right now. And so if we run the game, we should not get any graphical glitches. I also made it so that the positions of the enemies are clamped to the integer values. I see you too, Aizen. So the enemies are only displayed to the full pixel each frame. They do not wobble around. That makes them a little bit choppy. It makes the movement not as smooth as linear filtering and perfect pixel movement. There are ways around that, and I think no one on Discord answered me yet, right? I did ask questions. Discord server, search result, pixel art, game dev, Discord server.
This resulted in a quasi-serious practice of students.
Hey bro, hey
GG. To eat
hello there, and Haskas. Good
peace.
Morning, guys. Hey
But
guys.
somehow, Stephen always found a way of sniffing them out. One fateful morning, I was the one who had brought Cheetos to school. These weren't ordinary examples of orange-colored cornmeal, though they were the puffed variety. And it turned out that Stephen, despite his purport deep connoisseurship, had never seen them
This
before.
fucking old voice, man. Okay, let's draw the bar with the current iteration of how we draw stuff. Oh wait, that is the wrong game. Whoops, let's close that so I don't always open the wrong game. Supposed to be opening this. Okay, so that's the size that we had before. The enemies do stutter a little bit if you pay attention to it, but I think...
PLD, the following is as close to a verbatim account of our exchange as I can remember. What are those? Steven asked me.
Shh. So. I think the XP bar, the way it looks right now, looks clean as fuck. And we're gonna make it so that once we reach the reach 100%, we can level up. And in order to level up, we need to add upgrades to our weapons. Okay, and so we need to be in some sort of state, or in some sort of Boolean state. Hi, Mihat. Hello there. We need to be in some sort of Boolean state when we are leveling up, so the game is paused.
Than they might have seen, because I wasn't eating.
Shh. 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 The game needs to be paused when we are in the level up menu. And we need to have upgrades. Hey, das Swag Man. Hello there. And so we need a couple of upgrades for our weapons. Let's start by working on that. Upgrades for weapons. Ignoring me already? Did the gems move out further before? Yeah, they did. I made it so they don't move as much out. I think they are not moving as much in Vampire Survivors. Wait. They literally don't move. Yeah, they literally move a little bit. But not that little. You're right. They didn't move that little. I guess we can turn this to 70 or something. Yo, bitches, say cheeseburgers. Thanks for spamming. Bitch. We could also work on a tile set. Yeah, I think that's better.
The rectum and vagina almost share a wall. If there's hard poop in the rectum, you...
Shh. Okay, weapon has a level. And so we need text that we can't display yet. TTS kinda annoying the past 2 hours, lol. I think it was fine. But now the constant TTS spam. Or let's not say the constant TTS spam, but the copy-pasta spam is a little too much. That is a little too much. You heard that, cheeseburgers, my man? In order to level up, we need to have font. We don't have font in the game. Is there a font? No, don't. Stop. I mean, I can...
once visited by a young woman. Tracy was her name. A bright woman. Very clever. At some point,
okay, since this is a Rusius and he hasn't been spamming.
Owen said, "That's my name. I'm Owen. Nice to meet you. Owen, you're a nice guy.
We need some sort of game state.
On what's important. You're always moving left or right. You've got to find your center." That's when I realized That's when it became perfectly clear. I have to subtract 0.6 from my texture coordinates so that I fetch the correct texel when rendering.
Well, yeah, Arusius. I don't know why it is that way, but I have to do 0.6. 0.5 was not enough. We need a game state ID anyway, so let's start with the game. Game state, level up, and game state running level. And then we can also add in the game state main menu. Oh, someone subscribed. Well, thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Game state count. We might need a count. But for now, let's use 2 game state IDs, and we have a game state ID, game state. Game state, state. I guess we could call it state. Just doing simple font for this game instead. Yeah, I will do simple font using free type, probably. Because I have tested it in my motion canvas program, and it was working very well. So I will be doing that. Excuse me. I mean, we could do the following first. If game state is the same as game state level up, or let's do it correctly. Let's do it correctly. Switch on the game state. I'm back. Welcome back, collector of stuff. Cakez, game, state, level up.
What's grass? My friends keep telling me to touch grass. And is that some type of anime woman? When I search for grass body pillow, I get nothing.
Got some French fries, do them, and a soda pork.
But that make no
sense. Bro.
There's grass in its name, so there must be some thick-ass right. Why is it like that? I expected something like Gardevoir, and I was disappointed. Honesty, how can anyone leave their cute anime waifu and touch something as weird as grass?
Update game.
I'd like an answer to this ASAP.
We need to have a function. I guess we put it at the very bottom. We call that internal update level. Takes in a float delta time, and then all of that.
YouTube stream, here we go. Free TTS.
Missing type specifier. Oh, internal void. Update game. Looking good. Update level, and then when we are running the level, we just call update level with delta time. But, of course, the caveat is that we need to define that up here. I think I'll just put in some nice header or something. One of these here, one of these babies. Call that define functions. And one of them functions is the update level function. So that should work. We should be able to call that here. Hey, Mr. Albida, my man, how's it going? I love Durum because I can leave it on the table all day and it's still good. Yeah, but you can do that with soup as well. You can do that with soup as well, with many other foods. Ah! Yeah! Oh, I'm sorry. So, now, if we are leveling up, we need to be able to click inside a rectangle that says, well, do we use font real quick? It gets cold quick. Soup gets cold quick. Dude, you literally heat it up again. Takes like 5 seconds. You go heat it up, come back 5 minutes later, it's warm. Boom. And the durum gets cold too, bro. I would argue that a durum gets colder fast than a soup gets cold. Because the soup has more volume. No, it's in tin foil. Yeah, but... it's not gonna stay warm in there, bro. It literally won't. What do you mean? But bro, it's in tin foil. What do you mean? Gonna last forever. That's not how it works. Durum has more surface. For real, are you joking? Tinfoil isolates. Yes, but not so long. Not for long. Like, you come back in 2 hours, it's gonna be cold. While the soup might still be warm. What do you mean? I'm not trolling. You really think that a steaming soup is gonna hold that long? Hold heat long? No, I mean soup in a pot. You eat soup now, then the rest of the soup is in the pot. And the pot just sits there. The pot. I'm not talking about a plate with that stuff. Okay, let's first draw a quad. And I think I wanna draw, or do you, Cakes? Yes, but you don't bring the whole pot to the table. Or do you, Cakes? No, you don't. So you're saying that you wanna leave it there because you never leave the table. I see. So you don't plan on leaving the table anymore today. And so that's why you wouldn't bring a pot into the table. I don't understand. That's right. Okay. Okay.
Good _ cheeseburgers is fighting Cakez 77. Cakez 77 won with 100 health left. Cakez 77 gains 10 experience.
Oh wait, actually that's very, very simple. Float to inch.
Attention, building completed. Attention, building completed.
Okay, we start. In which game state do we start? in running level. So we could make it so that by now we just start in that game state.
Attention.
Then we can
Building
just...
completed.
Okay, it's drawing a quad. It's a little off. Why is it not drawing the quad in the middle? That's weird.
Attention. Building completed.
Huh? Ah, oh, I'm a dumbass. I was using size and then position. Okay, so what do you think? Is that good enough for level up menu? And then on top of that menu, or inside that menu, I don't have anything animated yet. So there can only be like two things. Really. Like I should make icons, I guess. I should start making icons. Let's draw icons real quick. For that, we need a whip icon and we need a... How about we make a whip? What would a whip look like? Banger. Have you ever had a whip in real life? No. That looks nice. That looks nice. Not perfect, but it does the job. That does look good too. Let's use that as inspiration. Let's start with this. I guess we use like a brown color for the whip. Not as simple as you think. Not actually that simple, lol. Hello, how are you? Hey, Schumann. Oh, I'm okay, I guess. I have had a rough start to the day, but otherwise I'm okay. would say. It's okay. That's looking good. Now I can just fill in the colors however I want. How about you? How's it going for you this day? Today. Don't think that looks very good. Don't think it looks good in all. Nah. Try something else. Does not look too good. Not gonna lie. Maybe it just does not allow for that. Maybe we just add in a couple of highlights. But these highlights, I don't like them too much. That doesn't fit very well. I need a better color. What about this? No, that's also not... That's too... Not... That is not... That is too different. I wish I could use another color, but I don't have one. Your whip is more like a 2 instead of an S. That's shown on screen. Yeah, I know. I know. But that's okay. You look Polish? Which country are you from, bro? How did you guess Polish? Because, like, my dad is Polish, I guess. Yeah. But I'm from Germany. So my dad is Polish, yeah. Confused, like... How? Damn, I can make it seem like there's blood on it. I think that gives it a lot more character. Hey guys, I created a whip. Damn. Bruh. Do you speak any Polish? No, I don't. I've never learned how to speak Polish. Okay, that's the whip. And now we need the garlic or the AOE ability, which I guess we could make a... We could make a nice circle.
But he knows how to speak this.
Fuck you. Toxic. Literally toxic. Literally fucking toxic. And that's a moderator, you know.
Cakez 7L.
That's a moderator. My man, thank you. Cakez 7L, that's what I'm talking about. Should this be an icon? I mean, it's kind of cheap, eh? But what else should I use, huh?
Master.
Yeah.
The calculations are in, and,
Yeah.
the powers of your brain are overwhelming.
I need to make this thing 2 seconds longer. 2 seconds longer, and it's perfect. That one needs to be 2 seconds longer.
Your mods are not toxic, lil bish.
Okay. A magnet, if it's a magnet, onion, if it's an onion, etc. Well, it's not a magnet. But I think we can use those two as placeholders for now. Then we just add them into the game. And then we draw those two icons. And the only thing we can do right now is to click on them. I guess. That circle doesn't look good. Well, draw a better circle, bro. I only have like 1 hour today on YouTube. I don't have much time today. Okay, bro. Right icon. I can't do it better. What would you guys call this icon? What would you guys call this ability and this icon? What do you call? No, bro. I'm a fan of only YouTube, no Twitch for me, mate. I will keep streaming on YouTube. I just don't have much time today. That's all. I still have to do some other stuff off stream. You know, like working on a YouTube video and stuff. Bro, man, I hate Twitch. Really? Why do you hate Twitch, by the way? Lol. I will be streaming on YouTube a little bit more, of course. We will finish this game on YouTube entirely. This will be an entirely YouTube-made game. Only for you, I will watch on Twitch. I hate it, bro. You don't have to. Fine, bro. It's just that currently YouTube is just not even close to what Twitch can give the viewer in terms of viewer experience. And yeah, I don't know. It's no, I don't meant to say I don't know. It is just not giving enough to the viewer and to the streamer in terms of possibilities. And that's cringe. Okay, I don't know what this is called. I'm just gonna literally call it circle. Paste. Okay, where's the whip at? Where's the whip at? Where the whip at?
Get over here!
It is. Thank you for following GG Montana. Tony Montana. Damn. We have Bonnie Montana and Tony Montana now. 1680. Hi Twitch mate, I hate it. Oh wait, only for you. You'll fit right in, bro. The whip is in the garage, lol.
Attention. Building.
Okay, game state level up. We draw a quad, then we draw sprites. Yeah, I'm already following you on Twitch. My name is Tony Montana on Twitch. Hey, cool. Thank you. My man, thank you for following. Appreciate that. I'm programming on my tower defense game in the mornings. And I make it so that I try to stream or try to work on it for like 5 hours a day. I try to push the game forward daily for about 5 hours. I try to reach the 5-hour mark, and by then usually I'm cooked. And I'm like, I want to toss the game aside. I'm like, okay, give me a break from that game, please. I want to do something else. Let's go, Juke. Too bad I can't give subs on YouTube, lol. Cakez, my name is Tony. Who cares, mate? I'm Tony Montana. Who cares? Huh? Cakez. Giga chat. What do you mean? Huh? What do you mean? Who cares? I care. Bruh. So I guess... No. Every weapon has an ID. So... no, I guess... For now, we just click... Let's see, let's draw a sprite first. Draw a sprite, that would be the sprite icon whip. And then we need, well, we need a position and a size. That would be the level up menu position plus vec2 plus the content position. And then the size would be 32 by 32. And we need a vec2 content position is the level up menu size plus, oh no, level up menu position plus level up menu size divided by 2. I guess a vec2 here on level up menu size.x divided by 2, and there we go, 50 down, and then we do content position.y plus equals 40. Draw sprite does not take two arguments.
Building completed.
Like that.
Attention. Building completed.
That should do anything, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe because I did not export that yet. Or maybe because I need to draw that quad last.
Attention. Building completed.
No? Still nothing? No? How do I know if it's correct? If I draw another quad. He has more Twitch, bro. Do you teach Unreal? This is not his real game. I'm not teaching Unreal because I have no experience in Unreal. You wanna do a game in Unreal?
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Like, is it working or not?
Attention. Building completed.
What about Unity? I know Godot. I made a game in Godot. I know a little bit about Unity. I started in Unity, but I've never finished a game in Unity. I stopped before I could finish a game in Unity. Let's go, I can't give subs on YouTube though. Fine, boys, fine, boy. Why is this not drawing?
You can finish this.
Is it actually drawing this quad?
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building
Okay.
completed.
Good. I think content position is wrong.
Attention. Building completed.
Why'd you
Attention.
not continue to in Unity? Because I was too inexperienced back then. I tried making a 3D game in Unity as my first game. I mean, I did make the, if you have ever tried to do a Unity tutorial, there's this Asteroids game where we have like a 2D Asteroids game, and they give you the assets and they teach you how to do this movement, and then you shoot projectiles at the asteroids and then they explode. Like, if you've ever done that tutorial, it's a very old one. I couldn't even find it anymore, but I've done that. And then I started like trying to do some 2D tower defense game in Unity, which again I wasn't very good at. And I tried to deal damage, and then I got confused with I need to search for enemies to attack, and then they told me but find game object is slow and all of these things, but they never really told you how to do things. And I was like blah, 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 blah. And then later down the line, I started wanting to make a 3D game, and I got stuck at making a character controller. And at that point, I was like, this is too difficult for me. Let me try learning this in C++ to understand what's happening, because I literally got nothing done. which was probably a dumb idea, but I wanted to learn what it means to draw something. I wanted to learn what it means to make to program. Yeah, I wanted to learn basically, and so I started learning Vulkan and C++, and so that's how I got into this niche of making a game in C++ with your own engine and stuff. And it took me about a year to make a Pong game, and not because I only made the Pong game for 1 year, but all because I learned Vulkan, and then I had like a Vulkan renderer but no engine, and then I was like, okay, how can I make a game out of this? And I tried turning the renderer into an engine and failed, and so then I learned how to make an engine, and then I was like, okay, how can I combine an engine and a renderer? And usually oftentimes I had problems with Vulkan because I didn't understand how to do Vulkan. And so basically I was learning how to make engines for like a year, and then after having found Handmade Hero and stuff and I tried his approach of like I was like lost using a lot of CMake and all of these libraries, and basically my iteration time was very slow, and I was totally confused at how things were being done behind the scenes. Like I was using End as an entity component system, and I was using IMUI or IMGUI to... Sorry, too long.
Story is too long. Please shut up now.
Shut the fuck up. And so yeah, I ran into all of these issues, and so like over time I just stripped down further and further until I basically had no libraries left, and then I started just trying to learn everything myself. And I'm still learning. I'm not even close to understanding like anything, if that makes sense. I don't know. I literally learned the other day that OpenGL apparently does not interpolate floating point values correctly, or when it comes to pixels, it seems to subtract or round down pixels to 0.5 coordinates or whatever. Not sure exactly what they do, but like, yeah. So all of these nuances and stuff that are basically they're not even being shown to you when you program in Unity. You just say, hey, here texture please, and here texture atlas please, slice please, and boom. Spa is very giga chat. I've built simple games in Java. Oop is Borg. So yeah, it's kind of the hard. It's kind of the difficult road. I have a red quad, but I don't have a sprite. So use the content position. Plus content position. Literally gone.
Building completed.
Ah, I see. I understand now. PoE YouTube stream after 4 hours? I can't. I will be at my friend's house. Tcap, are you going to stream the PoE announcement on your stream today? So I should tune into your stream to see your reaction? Yeah? Nice. So you're gonna take my place and do that for me. Cool. Well, I'm pretty sure you wanna just do it yourself, but cool. Then someone of us is doing it. That's nice. What is the countdown for? Path of Exile. My reaction is gonna be this there. Yeah, I guess it is how it is. I probably would react a little bit differently. Maybe they have some pork announcements and I'm gonna be like, or maybe I'll just react to it tomorrow and I keep myself away from spoilers like that. And then tomorrow, first thing on stream, I will just watch the announcement. Hi, I'm interested. How do you handle stats for weapons that are influenced by trinkets and global upgrades? I will probably do something like the following. I just created an update loop, update level function. And so, let me see, where is the player? Over here in the active weapons. Let me see which one is nice. This one, for example. This has a Garlic Collider of a radius of 100. And so over here, I would just take in the game state dot player dot or game state. I think it's a pointer here. Player dot AOE multi, or let's say area increase, and I multiply that by 100. And then I call that float radius. Yeah, I mean we could have stats. We could have stats, but let's say we just have an area increase because it literally says 50% area of increased effect. Okay, so now I just use that radius, for example, and then for the damage over here, the 200, I would just do int damage is game state player dot increase or damage increase times 200, and I suppose I would just turn that into an int or something. Oh, the ha was not for me. The ha was for cheeseburgers.
How does the Po browser source work? Do you have it open in the browser?
No. You literally go to the website. .com. You copy that link and you add the browser source to OBS. And then what you do, you have the full browser source, and then you press Control Shift Alt or Control Alt. I don't remember which one it is. And then you can cut off from the entire website which part you want. Like for example, look, this one right here, right? I can cut off parts. To do this. It's just the website, and I've just cut the thing so that it fits better. How does Teacup chat, man? That is.
Thank you, very poggies.
Yeah, it's over here. That's the Twitch chat. I have just chat settings, chat highlight settings. I have just stopped streaming on Twitch like 40-50 minutes ago. That's how we. Yeah, but so that's how I would do it. So, and that's actually what I'm doing right now, or close to what right now. I'm just confused to why the sprite does not show up. Level menu. So we just use the content position here.
Attention. Building complete.
Okay, nice. Then we don't draw that quad. Oh, there's the whip, guys. We have the whip. It's small, but it is there. Let's do 64 by 64. Make it big. Twitch.
Attention.
I can't see you live on Twitch. No, yeah, I'm not live, but you can still type in the chat. When someone is not live, you can still type in their chat. Like, look, test. See how that shows up? You have to like click on this multiple times so it opens. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. I think the size of this whip is good enough. And now what we do. We create a rect whip. Rect, that is the content position. And the 64 by 64. And then... How come? How come what? Bro, I can't see you live on Twitch. Can't see you live on Twitch. How come? No, I'm not live on Twitch. Oh, I mean, why? You're asking why I'm not live on Twitch? I'm not live on Twitch because I'm not live on Twitch because I am an affiliate. And affiliates are not allowed to stream to Twitch and YouTube at the same time.
Don't listen to him. He's lying. I'm watching him live on Twitch right now.
Okay, mate, it's weird. Okay. GGG. If key or is key pressed, the left mouse. What is it called? Left mouse? Tcap, why did you... The left mouse key? Left mouse key? Did Tcap change the key names? Did I... Do I have to be... Did he key? Where's the mouse keys? Bruh. I don't think I added mouse at all, but I need mouse now. Bruh. No. Okay. I'm gonna get it from here. Oops. Left mouse, middle mouse. I don't know the VK keys for those though. Mouse ain't a key? Yeah, for me it is. Sue me. VK key codes. Virtual key codes. Left mouse button. 0x1 to 4.
Mouse is number 1.
Yeah. Left mouse is number 1. Okay, so hopefully that just works, but I don't think it does. Or maybe it does. If we click the left mouse key and we're gonna do some scuffed.
Arusius.
I just made up values. Hey man, hey, now you managed to get here. See? Point in rect. Input, mouse, position, green. Don't we have a point in rect?
How can we get joystick support if we set it up like this?
Is it too much to ask if I want VR support?
Yeah. Literally too much to ask. Fuck you.
Mouse. In my Vampire Survivors game, SMH my head.
Guys. Why don't we have point in rect? We have point in circle, but we do not have point in rect. Is that cringe? I'm just gonna copy that. Can't be bothered. Fuck it. Yoinkich. So if we are inside the point in rec, then what we do? We do player dot player I mean, I see what you mean, TCAP. I see what you mean. It is easier if we have an array of weapons on the player and every weapon decides if it is trained or not. Then we could just say player.weapon. True.
Not internal.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Not internal, yeah. True. So we need to find the weapon index. And I suppose what we do, I guess I'll... Weapon index is less than game state player dot weapon weapons dot count weapon edx plus plus. We get the weapon pointer w. Here's the address of. I guess we'll just increase the weapon. Player, weapon count, weapons, and a weapon has an ID. If WID is the same as weapon whip. God. Annoying, I'm sorry guys. Happens again. Fucking annoying. If we have the whip, then we do W level plus plus. Okay.
Attention. Building completed.
Left is not a member. Oh god. Dot position. Dot X. Position dot X. Position dot Y. Position of Y. Size X.
Building completed.
Dot size dot X. But that's supposed to be size Y. Size dot Y. Content position undeclared identifier.
Completed. Attention.
Weapon index.
Building
That's an int.
Attention. Building complete. Attention.
There we
Building
go.
Completed.
Now I'm just a little bit confused why the whip is there. Level up menu position plus, I don't know, let's say 10.
Attention. Building completed.
Level up menu size X divided by 2. Why is that over here? I don't understand the... I don't understand this. I literally set the... Oh, wait! I'm a dumbass. It needs to be open or F. True. Now it's in the middle. And now we can do minus 100. I'm not making hard games like I find animation and debugging harder than the other parts and making the perfect game that everyone wants to play. I think if you're just starting out and if you actually want to earn money, you should probably start with small games, yeah. If you want to slowly earn like a little bit of money maybe, but the downside could also be that your game just gets forgotten because it's just not fun enough and then no one really plays it. Like you get one sale a month. Okay, so if we click that... Bruh. Did I just increase the level of the weapon by like 1 million? Oops. Oops. I think I did, huh? No. Point and rect is wrong? Maybe key pressed left mouse is wrong. Oh yeah, of course. For that we need for that we need to build the game again. From the ground up.
Building completed.
But it still does not work. Now, is it because left mouse doesn't work?
Attention. Building completed.
Left mouse doesn't work. It looks like the left mouse key is not being handled by the platform layer. Let's look at the callback here. I think it's system key down and system key up that I'm missing. I think in Win32, if you want to have mouse, we want to have WM sys key up and sys key down. That's for mouse.
Attention. Building completed. Attention.
Look at this guy.
Building completed.
Being smart. It still doesn't do that. It doesn't do anything. Let's see. It literally does not happen for mouse keys. So it's not sys key up. You need to translate the VK. I am. I think it's case mouse key up and mouse key down. Win32. WM size, mouse move. Sys key up, L button. Oh, it's those. No, cringe. Callisto protocol got leaked, bro. What? What is that? Why is he putting the brake outside? You think that's cleaner? Bruh. I don't know. I like to put it inside. Like that. Boom.
Attention. Building
Pressed any
completed.
key? Do we have pressed any key? Probably not. So
I like
guess.
to put it inside.
Sure. Mouse click position doesn't exist.
Building complete.
Mouse click position word doesn't exist.
Attention.
Key code.
Building complete.
We don't have a key code lookup table.
Attention.
Key code undeclared identifier. Is on W param.
Attention.
And then default
Building
undeclared
complete.
identifier. Not sure what I did here.
Attention. Building completed.
Windows key code, a local variable initialized but not referenced. Maybe we don't need that? Bro, you know Callisto? No, I don't know what that is, bro. I don't know what that
When do you
is.
plan to submit the game to Epic Megagram?
Attention. Building completed.
I don't know what that is either, guys. Don't know what that is either. Oh, we click the left mouse and the point is not inside the rectangle. That's bullshit. It literally is inside the rectangle. X position 1. That is literally wrong. That is literally wrong. How is that? How is that? Oh, we are not updating the mouse position, are we? So we also need to implement the mouse move, huh? You're reading position from W param wrong, or? Bro, you don't know Epic Mega Grant? It's like you show your work to Epic and they will fund your game if your game is good. Yeah, and what do I have to do in return? Deliver the game 1 year later? Give them half my income? Like, they don't do that for free. There's no way they do that for free. They would lose money. They don't want anything back. So you're telling me I can go to them and say, yo, here's my game. Not even limited to the engine. And say, look, that's my game.
Epic Games has committed to providing financial grants to creative, noteworthy, and innovative projects built in and around Unreal Engine, and to projects that enhance the open source 3D graphics ecosystem.
Building completed.
Wait, mouse move is already used? Where? Oh, I literally am. I'm literally doing the... no, I'm doing it correct. I'm literally doing it
We love
correct.
supporting Unreal Engine game developers of all sizes with funds to make their projects a success. You can also apply for a grant to fund transitioning your existing or in development game to Unreal Engine.
Yeah, so basically if I'm not an Unreal Engine programmer, they basically say fuck you. Which I can understand. Like literally I can understand. But now I understand what they get out of it. I do not want to convert my engine to Unreal Engine. You will sell exclusively on Epic Store. Maybe you can't sell on Steam. Or put exclusive on Epic Store. They want to support. That's even worse. That's even worse. I can only sell on Epic Store? That's terrible. Otherwise, everyone would do that. Who cares about 500k? Who cares about the money?
Is mine on Unreal Engine project eligible? Yes. If your project is built in another engine or toolset and you want to move it to Unreal Engine, you are eligible
See,
to apply for an
you
Epic
want
Mega
to
Grant.
move it
If you want
to
to develop a
Unreal
project that
Engine.
enhances open source 3D content creation, whether or not it integrates with or relates to Unreal Engine, you are also eligible.
I see. I didn't read the rest. If you want to develop a project that enhances open source, open 3D content creation. Yeah, but I'm not doing 3D, I'm doing 2D, bro. So literally, I'm not in the list of people that could use it. For like a year or so, that's terrible. Nah, guys, it's fine. It's fine. I literally already have mouse move.
And
What
that
is
thing
wrong?
with Epic forcing you to use their store is BS. The last part is not talking about video games.
Say you need
It's
500k
talking
for an
about
open
video
source
editing
visual
software,
Vampire Survivors
etc.
clone kappa, yeah. The last part is not talking about video games, it's talking about video editing software, etc. I see. Guys, what am I doing wrong here? Why is this reading it wrong? Why is it reading the L param and W params wrong? I literally do the exact same thing in my game and it's not wrong. Why do I get the wrong mouse move
Attention. Building completed.
position? Did you bring them in the correct way around? The correct way around? You mean the case? The switch case thing? I didn't think that would make any difference. That shouldn't make any difference.
Building completed.
That shouldn't make any difference. Like, why is this so cursed? Like, literally, why does it give me X position 1 and the Y position is correct? Maybe I'm reading it. I'm not reading it right. Get X L param. Get Y L param. I'm literally doing the same, am I? Get X Y L param. It looks like it's not supplying them correctly. I don't understand. Let's see here. We're not moving the mouse. Shit. Goddamn. L param is 0. I literally can't do mouse move. Because it keeps... I can't do mouse move. Fuck, man. I guess I need to print... I need to print this.
What the hell is that default case doing above this code?
Oh.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
The default is at the bottom. I see. Oh. Oh. I understand now. Now that looks like a proper position. It's still not saying that it's inside the rectangle, but that's wrong. Because that literally is true right now. That is literally true. Let's see. 808. Oh, wait. The whip rectangle is different. We need to have... Wait. Content position. Whip collider, whip rect. I guess we do content position. Ah, I hate it. It is correct. It actually is correct. That
Attention.
this is
Building completed.
cannot convert.
Attention. Building completed.
Oh.
Attention.
You know what?
Building
Let's do
completed.
this. Content, position, and then the vec 2. Well, let's call it the vec 2 rect, or the vec 2 size, or let's call it icon size. Icon size, which is a vec 2 of 64 pixels. And then we just say, okay, we have an icon size here. We draw that sprite, and then we call the rect, the whip. Rect is the content position minus the size divided by 2, or the icon size divided by 2, and of course the icon size. Now we have that whip rect, and we could say, okay, that we want to collide with the whip rect, which is
Attention. Building completed.
should be at the proper position now. Now we are inside the rectangle, and we should find the weapon. Oh, we don't have a weapon. We don't add the whip to the thing yet. And so the moment we find a weapon and we level it up, after that, if we press the left mouse key, we set the game state to game state running level. Oh, I should be programming in here. I'm sorry, guys. Keep forgetting. No, 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 no. Don't save. Don't have... Yeah. The default case was my fault. Yeah. Okay. But I want to do the following. This is the whip rect. Or this is the whip. Whip. And we can do another one for the, I don't know, AOE. For that, we create a rect. I don't know, AOE rect is also, where's the content position plus equals? That needs to be here. We draw a sprite, of course, as well. And that would be content position minus icon size divided by 20.5, and over here that should be, instead of 40, that should be 70, and then we say icon size. It's the AOE rect. We copy that. We have the AOE, and I suppose we just, if key pressed, left mouse, if it's inside the one of these rects, I guess. Let me see if it's point, if it's in here. Or let's call it weapon ID. Weapon ID is weapon count. And then we check if it's inside the whip ranked. We set the weapon ID to weapon whip. And then we check if it's the weapon ID at the end afterwards. So if the weapon ID is less than weapon count, then we have selected the weapon to level up. It's a little bit... we could make this a loop later. But for now, I think it's AOE rect. It's good enough. Then we set the weapon IG to the weapon Garlic. Weapon ID.
Building completed.
Yeah, that should be a capital D. We like big Ds.
Attention. Building completed.
That works. The only thing we need to change is the icon circle. Circle. Okay, now we should be able to
Building complete.
switch between, or we should be able to level up. It looks kind of cringe, but it does. Wait, it does not change to the game state. Oh, I see. Once we set the level, we set the game state to game state running level. Doesn't look very nice. I can probably draw something tomorrow
Building complete.
that looks better. There we go. But it only clicked one time. AOE rect. Weapon ID is weapon Garlic. Weapon ID is less than weapon count. Oh, we can't find. We don't find the weapon. Of course. We need to add in the weapon. Okay, let me see. Wait. Great. Game data. Nah, game. Init game. Let's add the whip too. Now we find the whip.
Attention.
Now we have the whip
Building
as well.
completed.
And EXP greater or equal to 100. We set the player EXP back to 0. And then we change it to the game state. State is game state level up, I think. Yeah.
Attention.
Okay, now we should be
Building
able.
completed.
Also, wait. Init game. In init game. Where do we set the game state? Oh, we don't. Game state. Game state. Oh, state is. Excuse me. Game state. Level. Initializing the game state to running level.
Attention.
When we start.
Building completed.
Okay, now we should be able. I don't think they can beat us. But let's see. Is nothing spawning? There's enemies. I saw something at the bottom. Why is it pushing them away? Huh? Why is it just pushing them away? Guys, I need to go to the bathroom. I don't know why this happens. Huge. Be right back real quick. What the fuck? What happened? Why did it freeze? What just happened? Did I go into an endless loop? Huh? What? I don't understand. I literally didn't touch the code for the area damage thing. So why is it pushing every... What happened to the collision system? It seems like it's colliding and pushing them away or something. Something is totally weird. Yeah, why is that pushing them away? Hey? Oh boy. Wait, that's my framework. That's my game. I have a feeling that there is a point or rect circle. Rect circle collision. Push direction. Push away. Oh, I see. That needs to happen.
Attention. Building complete.
And why does it stop? For some reason it just stops. How do I find the endless loop? Huh? Hast du irgendwas Lust, was zu machen? Was willst du machen? Gerne. Auch das. Ja, doch, bisschen. Hast du gemacht. Doch. Ja, mit mehr Salz. Kein Salz reingetan. Ist okay. Okay, bro. I forgot. Okay. Pause. It's in the loop. Pause while it's in the loop. In which loop do you think it is? Which loop do you think it is? Must be an update level somewhere. While it's not here. It must be a while or a for loop, right? If it's infinite, then just pause the problem when it hangs. Pause the program when it hangs. It might be one of these. Continue here, maybe? No. While? The while loop? No. I'm a little confused why it always goes one down. For loop. Pickup type. No. Continue. Attack, which, while, maybe this one? No. Can't find the locking loop. I don't know where it's You can use the Visual Studio Code debugger to start your program, right? Then you can do what Eisen said. Okay, wait. What did I do? pause while it's in the loop. Otherwise, I'd add a few logging instructions here and there and check which one was the last one that showed up. Ooh, that could also be a good idea. But isn't there like an option to do this? We could just start this now. And then once it hangs, there is like an option where it shows me where the endless loop is. What? Why does it just work now? Huh? What? What is wrong with this game? Look, I have 4 AOE attacks. Should be level 4 now. Yeah, the last slashes are a bit weird. I don't understand. Maybe it was some hot reloading problem.
Completed.
Let's first get rid of all of these. Yeah, maybe it was. I mean, it looks good. Now let's level up whip to 5 again and then try to make the whip positions better. And then tomorrow we will work on text. I think I'm good for now. This is good enough for today. We fixed a couple of weird issues and we can now level up our stuff. And then tomorrow we start by adding in maybe passive skills too. And then we show the items. We can also show the items on the top left. In like a slot machine type of thing. Already have an idea on how to do that. Okay, now that's the point we wanna be at. Okay, let's look at the whip positions. Okay, like these zeros are boring. We have 2 spawning on the left side into the left direction. We could make another one spawn on the right side. And then we have one that is 50 units below, exactly where the player is, and 50 units above the player. And so we could make it so that this guy spawns down and then this guy just spawns minus 100 up. But then again to... Oh, now we have the assertion hit. Minus 150.
Attention. Building completed.
Damn, now I need to... Wait, I can load. I think this is good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ist da auch Salz drin? Dankeschön. I just got here, yeah, just got thing, whatever it's called. Okay. Now we need to make it so that this thing also has levels, but we'll do that tomorrow. Being able to level up the whip. Salty. Do you feel you made comeback at least, or still feel sad? It's okay, let's say that. I'm not particularly happy, but I'm also not particularly sad. Like, it's fine. I guess progress is always slow. I wish things would go faster. They don't. It is how it is. Yeah. It is how it is. Yeah. Tomorrow, hopefully, we will have... Oh no. I don't deal enough damage now. I don't deal enough damage. Uh-oh. I actually have to start playing the game now. Uh-oh. I actually have to start playing the game. Uh-oh. Yeah, leveling up the whip does not increase its damage. Cool. Yeah, very nice. I think the enemy's HP should be based on the player level, like in Vampire Survivors, and think that's a cool feature. I wonder how long I can survive. Very cool. No, I'm okay, let's say that. It's okay. Need a debug button to trigger it. I want a way to suck all those gems in. Need a debug button to trigger it. Or we can make a pickup that allows you to pick up all the items. Okay, let's push this. Edit. A way to level up by picking up EXP gems. Can now also level up the whip and make it spawn more attacks. Git push. Oh, we also added icons to the whip and stuff. And tomorrow I want to work on transparency and stuff, I think. Or maybe we don't need to do that yet. Okay, guys. I'm sorry this was a little bit short of a stream. Maybe not as happy as I used to. But yeah, it's a rough time. I'm not making very much progress. Or let's say I'm making slow progress, and that's been sad. But we will get there. Okay, we'll get there slowly, but surely. Step by step. I hope you had a great time anyways. And I appreciate everyone that has been watching today. I hope you have a great day. Tomorrow is Friday. And hopefully there's a new One Piece manga out. Copium. That would be a good day already. Team, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Thank you for joining. Peace.